In the summer of 2019, Lakeshore Beach will be closed for the Shoreline restoration as part of the larger Lakeshore Park renovation. We understand this will disappoint some, but it will make the beach better for years to come. The project will allow for increased handicap accessibility, improved emergency access, and it will restore much of the shoreline that has been washed away over the years. To find out more information in regards to the Shoreline Restoration Project, as well as the Lakeshore Park renovation project, please visit cityofnovi.org.